Spartan's text cleaning options.
Sometimes the text you copy from one program, in this case an HTML editor, just isn't suitable for pasting into another. This is MS Word. Pasting the clip. Not good. Spartan provides 3 ways to clean up badly formatted text. For a one-off job, right-click on the clip and click Edit. To remove the HTML formatting, click the HTML button. And to get rid of the fixed line lengths, click Word Wrap. Better! The clip is now suitable for pasting into MS Word. If you need to clean text regularly, you can do this with the TXT button. Clicking on the clip name pastes the clip with formatting. Clicking on the TXT button pastes it without. All the text cleaning options which you saw in the text editor can also be performed by the TXT button. For instance, to remove HTML formatting and fixed line lengths, as we did in the text editor, just select those options here. Clips like the one we took from the HTML editor can now be pasted cleanly using the TXT button. If you don't want formatted text at all, select one of these options from the Paste menu. With the first option, clicking on the clip name will paste without formatting, just as if you had used the TXT button. With the second option set, anything you cut or copy will paste back as plain text whether or not you use Spartan to paste it. As with the text editor and TXT buttons, you can choose from the list of cleanup options. Options chosen here apply globally whenever one of these 2 options are selected. They are also the options that are applied when you select Paste Plain Text from Spartan's context menu.